All right, so we're gonna plug in our laptop into the system and two other monitors. All right, so you gotta get your HDMI connection. Make sure you do that first, connecting that, and then we're gonna plug this HDMI where it says in. So we're gonna go in here. Now this is a 4K, up to 4K. You can do that if you have your systems that are 4K. But at the moment, I only have one that's 4K and the other one isn't. But we're gonna show you the difference on both of them. And you do need power, of course, because this system requires power source. Most of the TVs do have a Type A system, USB, so just make sure you're aware of that. So we're gonna plug it in and see that. Right now there's indication that it just picked up automatically. Now we're gonna show you on the actual displays so you guys can see how it looks. All right, as you can see, I do have the splitter on here. And I'm going to show you a couple. This is the monitors here. I got them all split around, and I'm going to identify them so you guys can see that. So if I hit identify, let's see, so there's two, and we're going to split this. So right now, currently, I have one here, and then this acts like one, and we're going to set it up as show as one only. We set it up here, if you guys can see that. So we have our two monitors set up side by side. But right now I'm going to show you that I could share the actual system. See how it splits. So I could have either or right now. I can only have two monitors. I can't have three for some reason. But this is perfect for displaying. Say you're doing a presentation and you need high quality, high definition displays to be split without any questions. This is perfect. If you guys can see that, it automatically picked up. It has my monitors set up. My third monitor is right here, but right now it's only cloning and it's only doing two monitors. So you can't have three when it comes down to the system, because one is an input and two are the outputs. All right. So if you're going to use something like this for your conference rooms, this is perfect. It's very small and petite, but it does require power. So hope you guys enjoy the video.